I just need a big raid. I just need a big raid. Yes. I just need a big streamer to give me a raid and I will blow up. I will be the biggest thing on Twitch. Everybody will know my name. Yes. No. That's not how it works. Some of you might disagree with me, but on this video I'm gonna be as honest and helpful as I can be. If you guys don't know this, I got raided a couple weeks ago by Nick830 and I did a video about it like 2 weeks ago. So please be sure to check that video out because it's my thank you video to Nick830 and everybody that supported me on that stream. Or should I say the biggest stream that I've ever had. If you want to check that video out, you just need to click over here or here. First time doing this. That one is a pretty simple video, but I wanted to do another video related to the raid, but making it to help other fellow creators be prepared or ready for whenever you guys get a small or big raid like mine. So yeah, roll the intro. So if you guys didn't see one of my last tweets, basically this is the second time I'm recording this video. I already recorded it, but with no audio. So basically this is the second time recording it. So yeah, I spent 2 hours recording a whole video with no audio. So be sure to like the video. And also if you want to stay up to date with me on Twitter, links in the description. So welcome back to the channel and another video. My name is Dagniel and today I'm gonna teach you how to be ready for any type of raid basically, and how to take advantage out of it too. Before I start, I just want to say one thing. This video is not a flex. It's free information that could potentially help you. So yeah, pay attention. Okay, so let's see how to be ready for a raid. So there are a lot of variables on a raid, like who's the streamer that's raiding you, how many people are coming through the raid, how that community interacts with you, and it can be very overwhelming to think of all these things, but that's the thing. All these things matter. I'm gonna explain how my raid played out and how you can be better than me if somebody rates you. So I was about to end my stream when Nick830 came in. He started typing in chat and I was immediately so nervous because it was the Nick830. I didn't know if he was streaming, so I was just playing it cool in case he was streaming. But in my head I was like, you know, that's how I felt when Nick830 came into my stream. So I kept talking to chat, not knowing if he was indeed going to raid me, and he did. He came through with the raid. I jumped from 10 to 11-ish viewers to almost 7,000 people. I was so nervous, anxious, and my hands were shaking like crazy. I didn't know what to do since I was getting a lot of followers. Chat was going wild and I was completely lost. And here comes the first tip. Have an intro. If you're getting any type of raid, big or small, you have to have an intro. You need to introduce yourself. You need to show people who you are, what you do on your streams, what are your rules. Since you have a lot of new people in chat, and I can assure you that more than half of them didn't read the rules before typing a message. I didn't do this because I really didn't know what to do at the moment. And here comes the second tip. Always have mods in chat. This is more of a personal one, but always try to have mods in your chat. They are the first line of defense against the trolls. I had almost 7,000 people in chat and only one mod. Yes, one mod. Thank God that Nick830's community is a very positive one. A lot of them even help keep the chat in control without even being mods. So you need to keep this in mind because you could get a raid from a very positive community, or you could get a raid from a very toxic one. So yeah, try to always have mods in chat. Unless your mods are the ones that are trying to troll you. Most people that have been on my stream, they know what I'm talking about. So yeah, watch your back, mods. Who am I kidding? I'm not gonna do anything. If you want to see me in action or watch my mods try to troll me, you can do that on twitch.tv/Dagniel_M. So after the raid, I streamed for 3 more hours and didn't shut up. At the beginning, because chat was full of questions, but as time passed, people kept leaving the stream, and it's normal. Even if you have 1,000 people or 10 people, you are the one that needs to be entertaining your viewers, not the other way around. By the end of my stream, I had an average of 25 viewers, and chat was moving thanks to me talking, asking questions, and telling jokes. Interacting with their chat is key, not only for raids, but for streaming in general. Another thing that happened, and I'm very mad that I didn't do this, I didn't share my social links. Basically, I didn't share my YouTube, TikTok, or Twitter. I didn't share my social links until the end of the stream, meaning that the boost of followers that I gained from that raid only stayed on Twitch, and I unfortunately didn't spread that growth all around my platforms. Okay, 4th tip, and it's that promote your social with any type of raid, small or big, because it could be another potential sub on your YouTube or follower on TikTok, Twitter, and Twitch. So after the raid, I created content around it, like one of my previous videos, some tweets on Twitter, and now this video. So yeah, tip number 5, create content around your raids. I don't mean create 30 YouTube videos, 30 TikToks, and tag your raider everywhere on Twitter. What I mean is create a couple pieces of content saying thank you to the raider, showing how grateful you are, saying thank you to his community, and putting your name out there, showing people who you are and what you have accomplished. Moving on. Okay, so we have covered everything that you need for a raid. Now, what happens after a raid? Long story short, views go down. So if you get a big raid and you get a lot of followers, hosts, and chat interaction, Twitch sees this massive spike and it recommends your channel. In the stream, after the stream that I got raided, I got a lot of chat interaction and followers because Twitch saw this massive spike on my last stream and recommended my channel. I know this because a lot of followers on that stream told me that they found me on the recommended channel. So it was a pretty fire stream. But after that one, I saw a decline on viewers and followers per stream, and it's normal. That's why I haven't let the viewer count or the followers per stream change my mood on my streams. You should never focus on numbers or stats. Focus on having a good time, having fun on stream, and being grateful towards your community. So this has been 6 tips to help you in your future raids. So yeah, sub for more videos and turn the bell on so that you don't miss any of them. Like the video if you found it helpful or funny in any way, and comment down below raid tips, just that, raid tips, for a shout out on my next video. Honestly, if you're watching till this point, please comment down below raid tips, because ever since I started YouTube, I have been trying to give shoutouts to people that comments a certain thing on the comment section. Nobody comments the thing that I want people to comment to give them a shout out. So comment raid tips if you want a shout out on my next video. And with this, love you guys and have a good one. Oh, whoever blinds me during a fight, I'm gonna ban you. Bro, stop! No, stop! Like, what's the point? You guys are wasting everything.